How to set A4 size in PowerPoint. Hey guys, this is Lucy, and without further delay, let's get started. So first you need to open PowerPoint, obviously, and then click on Design menu. And here in the right side, there's a ribbon called Customize. Here, click on Slide Size. So in this drop down menu, click on Custom Slide Size. So here in this dialog box, go to Slides Sized For and click on the arrow. Here you need to select A4 paper and click on OK. So it will also ask you to size your content with maximize or ensure fit. So do it according to your preference. Right now I'm choosing the ensure fit option. And there you go. You've set your slide to A4 size. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Meet you guys in the next video.